Y'all, this is what we're using. Farming life right here, y'all. This is what we're using. We got the little pickaxe thing. And this, as you can see here, is what I've done so far. Day before yesterday. Not much. So we're trying to start a garden out here. This is farming life. Hope y'all enjoy it. Give y'all time lapse like you can see. This is what I'm starting with right now. And then we'll see how much I get done. I'll let you know how many hours I put in. So yeah, we're gonna build us a garden with some corn, some beets, some radishes, sweet potatoes, try to get some fruit in there. So see how big I can make this little plot. The ground out here, we got plenty of land to do it, you know what I'm saying? But we're doing this all manual labor here, so gonna get to work. Hope y'all enjoy this this footage here. So I would say y'all doubled it in size, at least, if not tripled it. Just with that, y'all, and that, and these guns. Yeah, these guns, y'all. So that's it for the day. Got to go in there and carb up. Feeling a little hungry. I stay hydrated the whole time I was out here. That's another thing. Got to make sure you drink plenty of water, y'all. You want to maintain that hydration. Have sufficient amount of carbohydrate to be able to do the work that you're trying to do. As you can see, anything is possible when you put your mind to it. Got a nice little bed going here for a garden. We're gonna have corn, sweet potatoes, squash, zucchini, beets, eggplants, radishes, carrots, you name it. We're gonna try to grow it. So yeah. So that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Just over here enjoying life, enjoying the scenery, enjoying the fresh air, breathing in the good, clean country air out here, and getting a little work done, you know, trying to eat better organic food. You know, it's going to be organic, 100% grown right here with these two hands. And yeah, let me know what y'all think about my gardening ideas and my pursuit here. I'll keep y'all posted on it. You know, once I get things, planted and start growing and things like that. And yeah, so that's it. It's another beautiful day. I also want to remind all my viewers, stay carved up, plenty of hydration, get your water in, get plenty of sleep, rest, sugar, water, and get things done. Go vegan, y'all. Save the animals, save the environment, save the planet. Let us all breathe fresh air for many, many generations to come, because if not, we got an existential crisis going on right now with the amount of carbon dioxide pollution being pumped into this world through the excessive use of petroleum fuels and, you know, cars, and it's a mess. Plastics, just so much going on, y'all. We got to make a difference in this world. It's up to us, because if we don't do it, who will? All right, peace out, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.